Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we doing today? Today I want to do a demo on the Makita 18-volt cordless palm router, the kit, which is an XTR01T7. I did an unboxing on it, went through it, was looking for a handheld cordless router to offset the Colt and the Festool router that I have. Something that I have to do, just something quick, a quick trim of the back of a box, a cabinet, that I don't have to set everything up and then just vacuum when I'm done. So I've been playing with it, used it once to flush trim the back of a box that I built for my truck. It's got a lot of power. It's very nice. So let's go over it and we'll do a quick 1/4 inch straight cut, show you how much power is in it. Okay, it comes in Makita's version of a Systainer. It is the old style Systainer, well made up with all other Systainers. It would be nice, you know, if it was a T-lock, but it will made up with Festool's Systainers. Side here, in there, and you get it. Once I lock it all in, you see. Nice, little different handle, but it's a Systainer, and it will fit into the SYS drawer system. Okay, comes with this nice little bag insert. Comes with a charger. It comes with two 18-volt 5 amp hour batteries, which are 90 watt-hour. Comes with the two wrenches. It comes with two inserts for guide bushings. Comes with a guide. Comes with a straight base, which goes onto, basically locks onto this. It has a wheel adjustment to wheel it. It's got imperial markings, lock. It has a lock and a power. It has a spindle lock to lock in the spindle. You can also use the second wrench if you had to. And it locks in with, you see here, it locks in. You just have to align that slot, and that's how it locks in. It's not a gear inside. See that right there? That's how it locks in. But you can also use the second wrench to grab the actual shaft. And it comes with a plunge base. And the plunge base, you could use it all the way down, or you can adjust it. It's got a 3-position turret. It's got adjustment stop by pushing in this, micro adjustment, 2 different settings, and then it has even a placement, this red ring for placement. It's locks, will lock down, and then you can also put another guide into this one. I didn't get that yet, but we're going to use the straight base. Okay, again, messing with the tool, just like with an electrical tool, don't plug it in. Battery is off, so I know I can't turn it on. But the beauty about it also, let me show you this. You have to push 2 things. See, I'm pushing the power button, nothing. Unlock it, it goes on. Shut it off. You can lock it. Nothing. So you unlock and push the power on. But I still wouldn't trust it. Just take the battery off. And their batteries have fuel gauges on them, just like the DeWalt, the Milwaukee, and the Festool. Again, I did not, like I said before when I showed it, I am not going teal. I wanted something that was cordless. Oh, it also is 5-speed. It is 5-speed. So, what we're going to use today is I picked up, and if you saw the other bits, the Forstner bits, this CMW, the orange tool from Italy. The Forstner bits are phenomenal. The hole saw bits that I use to drill for plumbing are phenomenal also. I'm not too keen with the arbor. The arbor is, it's like you push a button and you move it to different arbors. I don't like the arbor. I like the thick Milwaukee one, the quick connect, but the bits are very sharp. I bought a straight bit quarter, straight bit half, and a flush trim bit 1/2 inch, all 1/4 inch shank. So let's remove the 1/4 inch. Get wrench, tighten it by hand. That's it. I like to give it a spin, make sure that the button disengaged itself. Find the slot. You're going to mate this slot here with that pin, and that will then give you the gear here to the adjustment wheel here. But you gotta make sure that this is open, and then you gotta kind of like wiggle, like turn it, and then it'll drop in. All right, so let's get it. So I'm about 1/4 inch up. Now, again, no battery. We're going to put on our straight guide. There's a thumb screw. It's got a washer and a lock washer. See it right there? Washer and lock washer. There's an indent pin that indents into the groove. Just push it on an angle so that the indent moves into the groove. Tighten it down. Now there's your direction, the way the bit spins, and then this here is adjustable in and out. You have a total of 3.5 inches center of bit, fully extended. So I got a piece of 3/4 inch sandable plywood. Let's just eye up a fairly decent groove here. That should be good. Let's get this in. Okay, let's put the battery in, unlock it, get it right up against this. Let's just make sure I'm not gonna mess with the table. Nope. Okay, it's unlocked, the light went on, power, unlock, power. Not bad. Not bad for a little tiny cordless router. Let's just go a little deeper. See how that works. Unlock. Power. See something. Get this thing up. I bought the bit to see if I can get 1/4 inch. Yes, I can. Look at that. Nice fit. There you go. This one will go down. this is exactly 1/4 inch plywood. I just got it out of the scrap bin. That's that Home Depot stuff, but it's still a nice fit. A little snug, but it's got quite a bit of power in it. It's quite snug. Ugh. Well, I'll give this a keeper. Now I got to build more SYS drawers. Okay. The amount of times that I've used it, played with it, mostly for flush trimming, like I said. And I haven't used the CMT bits. I was just using my fruit bits, Freud, Feud, whatever they're called, bits. They work well, work very well. So it's definitely a keeper. All right, I got a couple of questions. As you can see, I haven't used the pitch towel. You don't hear anything loud in the background. You hear just a little kind of maybe a hum. And some people asked, when did the garage get air conditioned? Well, I actually worked in one of the board members' houses here in my community, and I asked him about air conditioning my garage with a split system. He says they don't allow it because the compressor's got to be put on the side of the house, not hidden in the back like my air conditioners are. They don't allow any coverings or nothing. Now, I was going to do it. I was going to do it without anybody knowing it, but if somebody drives by, they see it, because, you know, somebody drives by the area, they see your garbage pails, they see all kinds of BS, if your bushes aren't trimmed, your grass is dead, if your cat's out too long, and they bust you, you know what's. So, I wasn't going to install it, have somebody put it in, spend all that money, and then someone tell me no, and if I tell them, you know, take a leap, they just keep giving you fines, giving you fines, giving you fines, and so I decided, forget it. I had someone come, but we were very close to putting in 14,000 BTUs. So this is what I ended up doing. Let me take the camera off. It is a little bit of a nuisance because I have to take it apart, but that's what I did. And that was my first thought. And what I ended up doing was venting it right out the wall. I cut off a 6-inch hole. I put a 6-inch stainless steel vent hood outside, caulked it up real good. And then this hose here, I can take it off the back of the air conditioner, and I put it up here so that the refrigerator can open. The only thing I am waiting on, as you can see, I have an extension cord plugged into my 20 amp outlet. I'm waiting for an electrician. I'm going to be moving my rails, my Festool rails, so I can get a plug there. And then all I basically do is just roll it out. But it's like 72 degrees. And what I did, as you can see, is I insulated the garage door with 1-inch foam insulation, because when they built my house, they put the cheapest garage door imaginable in. Now that actually also helps. I know there's the back wall of my garage is all plywood and insulated. That's the fireproofing code. Upstairs, in my attic, I have, I put plywood up there and insulation. And I know that these walls are insulated by drilling the mollies in to put all different anchors. You know, when you drill in and when you pull out, insulation. So, I figured, you know, I started up when I first come out here. Within 30 minutes, it's tolerable. And as you can see, I'm not sweating. I'm very comfortable in here. I can stay out here and I can have the TV on, and it just makes a little bit of noise. All right, YouTube. I hope this was informative. I feel it to be a very good product. I think for what it's designed for, it will work really good. I got it on a special. I think it was, oh on, I can't remember, but I think it was $349. Exactly what you see here, except for this, you know, of course. So, okay, if you like a Mike's Woodshop sticker, there will be my email below. Just send me your contact info and we'll send it to you. If you have any questions about anything that you see or anything that I demo, just email me, because it's easier for me to answer it in an email than in a comment. Other than that, I'd like to thank everybody for all the likes, all the subscribes, and all the comments. I think I'm about 10 away from 4,000, and in my wildest dreams I never thought I was going to have that many followers, and I greatly appreciate the comments. Your comments are really, really, really good, and like I said, I'll answer everyone. It might not be right away, but I'll definitely answer every comment. Okay, YouTube, you'll be safe out there, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.